Hey! So today I am very excited to share with you some new products. Let's get right into it. Kiss was nice enough to send me a whole bunch of products. Let's look at them. Ooh, I love this fun stuff. Just toss it for now. I'm gonna give you a quick look into this box and then we're gonna try on some products because right now this no eyelash baby deer cotton headlights look is not for me. So we're gonna start off with the nail products. First we got these Kiss jelly nails. They are so gorgeous. They look like actual acrylic type of nails. So they're this beautiful pink and they're almost like an ombre. They look a little bit lighter towards the base of your nail and they look like they get a little bit darker, but they look like true acrylic, like professional nails, and they have these beautiful rhinestone designs, and I'm pretty sure they're just called the jelly nail. Next we have these Kiss acrylic nude French nails, and they are in length real short. Typically I don't have my nails super short like this, but I'm excited to try a French nail because I've never had French nails ever, and these look really classic and I'm excited to try these. Then we switch it up a little bit in this short length. These are called Veruca Salt, which I love the name because obviously Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, and they have a super hold adhesive, no glue needed. So they have those little sticky tabs and they are this yellow with floral accents. I really like this, and we'll put on like one of these too just so I can show you what it looks like. Then they also gave me this Kiss brush on nail glue. I love this. I am just an old-fashioned let's glue on the nails type gal, so I like that. I haven't ever tried the sticky tabs before, so maybe we try it out. It'll be exciting. And then next they gave me these Mink Effect 5D volume high volume look, and they're called Haughty but spelled like naughty, and they're part of the Bold collection. Now I love these are brand new, because like the 5D is when you look at them like this, it's not just one row of lashes, you see a whole bunch of different rows and thickness. I really like that. It looks extremely natural and just gorgeous. Then they gave us another pair of these 5D volume Mink Effect lashes in Audacious. Those have the same effect when you look at them this way. They're just so gorgeous. I can't get over it. And then last they gave me these 5D volume in Ravishing. Now these ones are like super dramatic and long. I really love that, and I like about all these is that they're lightweight and reusable, because if you know me, you know that I'll use my lashes until there is nothing left. I love lashes and I love using the same ones over and over again, and I try to take very good care of my lashes. So, and then last they gave me the Kiss 3D Strip Lash Adhesive New. Now I always use my normal Kiss with aloe lash glue and I absolutely love it, so I'm very excited to try this new one. I have my makeup a little bit more on the natural side today. I didn't do anything crazy, so out of the three I'm pretty sure that Audacious is gonna look the most natural. Now I am by no means a professional at putting on eyelashes, but I do it almost every day, so we should be okay. First thing I want to do is show you these out of the package. Do you guys see like that 5D effect? I feel like it's a little hard to see from just looking at it like this, but they are absolutely gorgeous. There is a string loose on mine. It's kind of funny. It's like a thread. It's gonna cut off that thread. We don't need that little guy. And next I'm like so excited. I'm going to take it out and I'm going to measure it against my eye. I actually think it's gonna be a pretty good fit. It looks like it's not too long. All I'm gonna do is trim off the very front and the very back, because I just do that with all my lashes. So next we have our brand new lash glue. I'm so excited to try this out. I'm trying to zoom you guys in so you guys can get a better look at what's happening here. Got one rogue lash. All right, so I put this on a tweezer and we're just gonna paint this on. Get you guys a look at these lashes. All right, so we got this on. So normally with my other Kiss adhesive, I normally wait 60 seconds. This says to wait 30, so it is a lot faster. So let's give it 30 seconds and then we'll get a nice close-up on all of my pores. And we're just gonna place this on. Normally I put down like some type of black eyeliner. Oh, okay, that is very wet after 30 seconds. The next loss we're gonna try 60 seconds because this is a little too wet after 30 seconds. Okay, and we're back. It's so funny. So I waited the 30 seconds, I put it on, it was way too wet. But then I decided to go fix it in front of a mirror because I'm just using my viewfinder as a mirror right now. and I literally spent 5 minutes walking upstairs and it had dried like that. So fast, so nice. And the really nice thing about this is the hold is like very strong because I was trying to like pinch it with my normal eyelashes and it was hanging on for dear life. Like it was maybe that's the wrong term, but it was like super strong. It did not want to let go, and I love that. That means I can go out in the wind, I can go out on the boat, and I'm not gonna have to worry about it flying off. As for this style, let me zoom you in because this is pure magic. Like, I'm gonna put on some mascara to show you guys, but look at this lash. Like, the band is really small and nice, and it looks very natural on, and it feels like nothing is on my eye. Like, it is so lightweight. I am obsessed. Okay, I changed the lighting a little bit so you could see it a little bit better. Like, do you see how gorgeous it is compared to my normal eyelashes, which are almost non-existent? It is so big and so fluffy, and the band is so small and tight up against my eye, like you can't even see anything, and it is so super comfortable. Like, when I tell you this is the most comfortable lash I think I've ever worn, I am not lying. So let me put on some mascara just to finish this up. Tell me that's not absolutely gorgeous. Like, tell me that is not beautiful, because I would not believe you if you said it wasn't. It is perfect. They're all different lengths. It looks multi-dimensional from the side. It is just gorgeous. They're long, they're fluffy, they're comfortable. I'm obsessed. And I'm gonna do the other eye with just mascara to show you the difference. So this is my other eye with just mascara. This is my eye with the falsie. It is amazing. Yeah, I love it. It is fantastic. So I'm gonna go put on the other eyelash and I'll be right back. This is so gorgeous. These are my new favorite lashes. They look so pretty, so natural. They feel great on. They're very lightweight. They're easy to put on. I really like the lash glue too. It's gonna need some getting used to, but I really like it. It has a really strong hold once it dries. But these lashes, oh my gosh. So again, these were the Mink Effects Ultimate 5D Volume in Audacious. These get an 11 out of 10. These are, oh my gosh, so good. So good. If you need lashes, you need to go get these. Even if you don't need lashes, you need to go get these. These are like beyond. Next, we're gonna try out these jelly nails, but I want to try out first one of these no glue Veruca Salt. Are these Veruca Salt? Yeah, Veruca Salt nails, because they said that they have that sticker, and I've never used a sticker before, and I'm interested. I don't plan to keep these ones on very long. I'm just kind of curious on how they work. I'll zoom you in real close so you can see the lashes again. They're fantastic. All right, so let's get these nails. Maybe my ring finger. All right, let's try my ring finger. So we remove the back, like so. And then we stick it on like this. I'm gonna hold it there for 10 seconds. Ooh. That's actually really cute. I kind of put it on a little bit crooked. My nails themselves are pretty crooked to begin with, so I put that on a little crooked, but I love the color and the shape is really nice. I typically wouldn't go for such a short nail, but it's nice because my nails break really easily and the hold is super strong. Like, I'm trying to pull it off and I can't. I'm even digging my nail under there. Oh, okay, finally got it off. So that's how you get it off. You need to dig your nail under there to get this off, but this has a super strong hold and I think it's really cute. But now we're on to the jelly nails. When I got these, I was like, they need to go on my nail now. And we're gonna use the brush on nail glue with these. I don't know how fast this dries, but I'm going to measure these to see which nails are going on, and then we'll be applying this. Okay, so I have my pinky nail for this. I've got my lash glue. I'm gonna try this one on camera, but I think all the rest I'm gonna need to do off camera because this is gonna be a little bit too difficult for me. So we're gonna brush this on. Brushed way too much of it on. All right, I put way too much on. I don't know if you guys saw that. I just put like, I doused my nail in it. Oh geez. All right, we're probably gonna wait like 10, no, we'll wait 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, that wasn't long enough. Hold on, be right back. Okay, we got it on. I would say wait like 15 seconds. I think 15 seconds is the golden number. And I'm gonna go do the whole rest of my nails, or hands, both my hands, nails. Anyway, and I'll be back in like 2 minutes. So they are gorgeous. They're so pretty. So the ring finger, I have like a glitter. All the rest are just jelly, and this one, my middle finger, is like rhinestones. The other rhinestone design didn't fit on any of my fingers, but I think they look really, really pretty. They look like actual acrylic nails. Like they look really, really good quality. They feel nice on, they're not too tight. And I will say this about the glue. So I put the glue on, and this nail I did extremely crooked, and it was so hard to get it off. I really had to struggle to get it off. The only thing is they have little tips on them. They have like little tips on them, so you need to file those off. So I'm gonna go file those off and come right back. All right, look at how pretty these babies are. They are so gorgeous. They're so, 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 so pretty. I super love them. So I filed off the tips of them, and they look and feel so nice. I do my own fake nails, so like I get blank nails and I paint them and I put them on, and honestly, these are so much easier and so much prettier, and they are like such better quality than what I do normally, and they're just amazing. They feel great on. They're not like bending my nails. Sometimes with fake nails, when you like go to hold stuff, it feels like it's bending your actual nail back. I don't really feel that with these. They are just gorgeous. I am obsessed. These are like 100 out of 10. They're so good. I'm definitely gonna be buying more of these and more of these lashes for sure. So I will say that everything in this package looks a 10 out of 10. If you like long nails like me, you have to get these. These are amazing. And I am obsessed with jelly nails. Like that to me is the epitome of everything. And I like that these are see-through. And if you love lashes, these are the lashes to get. They're so gorgeous. They feel great on. It honestly feels like I'm not wearing anything at all, which I've never had with lashes before. So definitely pick these up. Once again, big thanks to Kiss for sending me all these products. Your products are amazing and I am living for it. And I can't wait to see what you guys come up with next, because I'm definitely going to be getting it. If you guys want to see more, make sure to comment below what you'd like to see, and subscribe, like, share this video. And until next time, bye guys. Love you.